I think the Perth property market from an investment perspective is one that's really heating up at the moment. You know, you look at Queensland. Queensland has a resource activity going on similar to Western Australia, but the Queensland market's really quite a fragmented one. They've actually had, as we know in recent years, a lot of natural disasters going through there, so they're sort of on the back foot a little bit. Sydney's just, I think, a bit of a basket case from a property and infrastructure point of view. It's not a very efficient city to get around. Melbourne, I think, is recovering slowly. It really had a real squirt of activity, probably going back about 18 months ago, a real solid period of 2 or 3 years where there was a lot of activity, probably overbuilt a little bit. That's been absorbed with just seeing, green shoots of activity there. I hope no one listening's from South Australia. Not a lot goes on there, so you can probably discount that in Tasmania and the Northern Territory. Although Darwin is a pretty hot spot and has really been firing along for quite a period of time, but a very small market. Back to Western Australia, I just think the resource activity, the number of people coming into the state ongoing, is really just putting us there, on the roadmap, and so we're seeing an improvement currently.
Yeah, I think the uniqueness about Western Australia was normally just enjoyed by West Australians, and if people were considering investing in states other than their own, they would normally think Sydney and Melbourne. Now we're finding an increasing number of eastern staters, as we like to call them, investing in Western Australia because of property fundamentals. Singaporeans have always had a good appetite for West Australian investment, but now we're also finding Hong Kong, Malaysian clients are also interested in Western Australia. So yes, your synopsis of the states is right, but I think WA is no longer just an investment hotspot for just West Australians. It's now an investment hotspot for people looking at good property fundamentals.